Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from Red Me Good.
So when we think of Chandni Chowk and lehengas, what comes to your mind? Mostly reds and golds, right? But let me tell you, that's not the case. There are a lot of places here where you will find some unconventional offbeat fusion lehengas. Don't believe me? Follow me, I will show you magic. So guys, we are here at Shringar. This is a one-of-a-kind store for selecting offbeat, quirky, unconventional lehengas. And if you're a bride who has a very modern outlook, let's go check out some lehengas over here. So guys, you can come here, look around and make sure that you get an appointment before coming over here because the owner gives special attention to every bride who walks in over here. Look at this beautiful, beautiful lehenga. So from where I can see, this store is for a bride who is extravagant and who loves to splurge, and you will get tired but they will not run out of options for you. I am a fan of pearls. Guys, now we are at Aditya and Mohit, which was earlier known as Dalmia Fashions. It's a 3-story building, and trust me when I say this, they will not stop showing you lehengas until and unless you find the one. Guys, I love the feel of the lehenga. It's embellished with crystals. As you can see, it has a very evening feel to it. And these guys specialize in customizing, whether it is the color, the style, the design, you name it and they make it. So guys, we are at our last stop for offbeat lehengas, my favorite place, Sunehri. The budget over here ranges from 50,000 to 3 lakhs. Come here, explore and have a lot of fun. Guys, look at this beautiful contemporary look offbeat lehenga in pastel colors, and it is accompanied with this cute potli. You can keep your mobiles in it, brides, and still keep on chatting and talking to the groom-to-be. Or maybe you can just keep a couple of shots in it. It will ease out the stress of the wedding. Guys, I had a lot of fun today. I hope you did too. Can you believe it? We found so many options in the offbeat lehengas, and I was really surprised to find them. But that's the beauty of Chandni Chowk. It's like a Pandora's box. You never know what you're going to find inside it. This is your host and model for the day, Manu Mirdha, signing off. Follow and subscribe. Red Me Good. I will see you again soon.
Find venues, photographers, makeup artists, decorators. Download India's #1 wedding planning app, Red Me Good.